All right, and now we're going to move on to actually some solving, where I'm given the fact that JK is tangent. Let's go ahead and find the answer x. Now, remember, we're still going to be using our Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So again, we have our radius and our tangent line, and then our hypotenuse. So if I'm looking at this circle right now, that part inside my circle is my radius. My tangent line is the one touching the circle at just one point, and my hypotenuse is going from the center all the way outside. So I have an A, a B, and a C. And so let's set up this equation. 7 squared plus 19 squared equals x squared. And we're going to solve it. We've done these definitely plenty of times before. 7 times 7 is 49. 19 times 19 is 361. And since these are both on the same side of the equal sign, I can just add them together. 49 plus 361 is 410. Now, my last step on this, sorry, I should have been showing this the whole time. My last step on this is going to be to take the square root. And we have to take the square root of 410 in order to solve for x. So I'm going to do my square root button. If you remember, squared is right here, square root's right above. So I'm going to click second and then that square root button and type in 410. And we always want to use 2 decimal places. So 20.248, that 8 will make my 4 round up. So 20.25 is my answer. Let's do another one. Let's label our sides first. So A is my radius here. My tangent is my B, and my hypotenuse is my C. Please do not get tricked by this again. 7 is only the outside part. This 11 should be here too. So C is actually a total of 18 units. 11 plus 7 all the way across. So if the number's outside, it's just pointing to the outside part. If the is showing the whole length, that I know is the whole length across my hypotenuse. But here it was just 7 and I have to add that 11 to it. So I have A, B, and C. So I have 11 squared plus x squared equals 18 squared. And 11 times 11 is 121. And 18 times 18 is 324. Sorry, I should put that in. Now, because my two numbers are on different sides of the equal sign, I cannot add them together. Instead, I'm going to subtract 324 minus 121, and that's going to give me 203. And that's what I'm going to need to take the square root of. So second, and then that squared button down there of 203. I'm going to get a final answer of x equals 14.247, but that 7 is going to make the 4 round up, so it's 14.25. Now the next slide, you will be doing 5, 6, 7, and 8. So be careful on this one right here. It's going to have an extra part of the radius. So just be careful. Sorry, I take that back. That's some special cases that we are going to skip over. So number 7, 9, and 11, we're going to skip. The next slide, you'll be doing 5, 6, 8, and 10. So cross out 7, 9, and 11. Next slide, you're going to be doing these 4.